Hey there, space enthusiasts. Imagine this. You walk into your room, and instead of boring walls, you're greeted by a breathtaking view of the solar system. Sounds awesome, right? Well, stick around, because today we're diving into how to bring the wonders of the cosmos right into your personal space. So, what's the deal with bringing the solar system into your room? Well, not only is it super cool, but it's also a fantastic way to learn about our universe. In 2024, we have so many amazing options to transform our spaces into cosmic wonders. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone who loves stargazing, this idea can spark curiosity and inspire creativity. Plus, it's pretty much the ultimate conversation starter. Who wouldn't want to show off a mini solar system to their friends? Let's explore some fun and innovative ways to do this. Alright, let's get into the fun part: how to actually incorporate elements of the solar system into your room. First up, planet models. You can find a bunch of cool, detailed models that you can hang from your ceiling or place on your desk. They come in all sizes, so you can either go for a mini solar system or a full-on planetary display. Next, let's talk about glow-in-the-dark stars. These are a classic. Stick them on your ceiling and walls, and at night, you'll have your very own night sky. But wait, there's more. With the rise of immersive technology, why not explore virtual reality or augmented reality options? There are apps available that let you explore the solar system right from your room. You can zoom in on planets, learn about their features, and even experience what it's like to walk on Mars, all from the comfort of your bed. Now, if we're talking about standout methods to bring the solar system to life, let's highlight a product that's truly out of this world: a smart projector that creates a full dome experience of the night sky. Imagine having a projector that can display a stunning, high-definition simulation of the solar system on your ceiling. You can customize it to show different constellations, planets, and even have it narrate interesting facts while you relax. It's like having a personal planetarium right in your room. These projectors often come with multiple settings, so whether you want a peaceful starry night or an educational exploration session, this device has got you covered. Trust me, this will take your solar system setup to a whole new level. Now that you've got all these awesome elements to work with, let's talk about how to arrange them effectively. Start by picking a focal point, maybe that smart projector we just talked about. Position it where it can cast the best view and make sure it's not blocked by furniture. Next, hang your planet models in a way that mirrors their actual orbits. This not only looks cool, but also helps you understand how the solar system works. For the glow-in-the-dark stars, take a little time to create your own constellations on your ceiling. Maybe even make it a fun project with friends or family. And don't forget to add some space-themed decor. Posters, bedding, or even a rug with a galaxy print can pull everything together. The goal is to create an atmosphere that feels like you've stepped into a sci-fi movie. So, to wrap things up, bringing the solar system into your room is a fantastic way to spark curiosity, learn about space, and create a visually stunning environment. We've talked about planet models, glow-in-the-dark stars, immersive tech, and even smart projectors that can transform your space into a personal planetarium. Plus, with the right arrangement, you can create an engaging atmosphere that inspires exploration and wonder. Just think of all the joy and knowledge that can come from having the cosmos at your fingertips. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite idea for bringing the solar system into your space? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more creative home projects. Let's make our spaces as awesome as the universe itself.